Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to my Facebook Live. Today I'll be making two drinks for you, making some napkins as well, and as I promised you, you'll be getting some tips. So if you remember last week I made a drink for you, pina colada. I used the pineapple and I cut the pineapple and took the inside out, and then I used the pineapple as a cup. Well, I didn't throw away the pieces from the pineapple. I used it to make a drink, pineapple juice. Okay, so I'm going to use that pineapple juice. From those two pineapple, this is what I got. This is pineapple orange, and this one strawberry syrup is added to it. So I'm going to use this one to make a fruit punch for you. So we need half a banana, a slice of papaya, and some pineapple. Okay, that I'll already added to the blender for you to save some time. So I'm going to add 4 ounces of this pineapple juice that I made from the pineapple skin. Right, and I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to blend. Add a little simple syrup. I should have told you that I used a slice of mango as well. That was in the blender, and that gives it some sweetness, so I don't have to use much strawberry syrup. And a little lemon juice. Of course, you can use the natural lemon juice if you have it. And a little more syrup, give it the right color. Alright. That color is just fine. Put a little ice into the glass. Pour. Wow, that's bad. I'm gonna garnish with a pineapple slice. I should have used the cherry. Right. That's fruit punch. Papaya, banana, pineapple, and mango with pineapple and orange juice. My straw is all the way over there, and I'm not going to get it just now, but let me get a taste of it. It's good. It's good. Alright, so for those of us now who would like something on the hard side, I'm going to shake something very quickly for you. Okay, so let me put some ice in. I'm going to use 3 ounces of this pineapple juice again that I made from the pineapple skin. I'm going to use 1.25 ounces white rum. I don't like my drink too strong anyway. And dark rum, I'm going to use 1.25 ounces. Some lemon juice. This already had some syrup in there, right? But let me add a little grenadine. Take a little more of this. And shake. Perfect. You know what that is called? This is a rum punch. Rum punch. It's good. I know some people may be wondering where I got my culinary and my bartending skills from. Now, when I was a boy, I remembered I joined the Boy Scouts and the Cadets, and one of the things we had to do was we had to cook. Studied foods and nutrition at school, and okay, so I have my hospitality and cooking experience. I worked as a chef once, and I also worked as an operations supervisor at a bakery, and then I worked as a manager, a restaurant manager. So cooking skills is what I have naturally. And let me tell you something, growing up, my mother was a very good cook. Extremely good cook. When I said she was a good cook, she was a good cook. Jamaicans will identify with this, but on Sundays, it's got to be rice and peas and fried chicken. If it wasn't fried chicken, it's going to be roast beef, that's a pot roast beef, or it's going to be roast chicken or fish, steamed fish or fried fish. That's on Sundays. Now on Mondays, we would eat some of what was left over from Sunday. So that would go in the fridge and then it's heated up on Monday. Now let me leave Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday out. Let me get somewhere light. So let me leave Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday out. On Saturday was the soup day. That's when you're gonna have red pea soup, some gungo pea soup, or beef soup. I think there's something called Indian kale soup. Man, those days were fun. And then on a Friday was when we would have like curry goat, pig trotters, you know, that sort of thing, pork and beans, tripe and bean, cow tail. And if my mother didn't feel like cooking, then we would have like fried fish and bami or hard dough bread, and you get some soft drink. You know, today I guess the kids would say they go to Kentucky or Burger King, right? So that's Friday and Saturday. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, those 3 days are days we really didn't like. Why? Because we had to do the cooking. My sister, my brother, and myself, we had to do the cooking. And this is where you'd have to, we call it, we never call it organic then, but this is organic, you know. So we could not use the gas stove, but we would use the coal or the wood fire or the oil stove. And this is where we would eat yam, banana, dumpling, you know, kalaloo and saltfish, ackee and saltfish, you know, liver. We didn't realize that those were the best food on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You know, so putting all of this together, that's where I got all these skills from. And most of the things that I'll be preparing for you is what my mother used to do, some of what she used to prepare. I did the cornmeal pudding last week, and I must say thanks to all the persons who shared it. 50 persons shared it totally, and it's over 600 views already. I'm really looking for this to go into the thousands, you know. And as I said, I have a rum cake coming up because Christmas will be here soon, and also the potato pudding. Okay? Now, let me make some napkins with you. And we don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to do that quickly. This rum punch is good. That's it. Thanks for coming, and remember to check out my YouTube channel. Have a good evening. Thanks again.